Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards. Aquarius, if you want more clarity in your circumstances today, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, Aquarius, let's start with these cards. And Aquarius, I have a monthly reading for the month of July in my other channel. So, if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. I have given the link in the description. So, you can watch that reading. That will be for the month of July, Aquarius. So, we have Judgment in reverse, Seven of Wands, and Four of Wands. So, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone with something on your mind. Something is, creating a lot of doubts for you. Maybe you are feeling a lot emotional, too much stress, or it may be because of the way things are going. Maybe in your circumstances, there is someone sick, or there is someone with some kind of a problem. You are helping them today, guys. That may be the reason for some emotional stress or something missing or some kind of a negative energy. So you are putting in a lot, you are doing a lot, guys, making a lot of efforts, trying your best, doing your best. So maybe even in this relationship with this person, so if it is their energy, maybe they are in need of your help and support because they may have some illness and you are looking after them. For some of you, or for some of you guys, I see this person having some addictions. So these addictions are really affecting the way things are going in your life today, guys. So it is causing a lot of problems in this relationship. You are trying really hard, and maybe even this person is trying really hard, but little more efforts, little more grit and perseverance, they are going to come out of these addictions, guys. Aquarius. So with these cards, I see that if it is your energy, you just need little more effort. You need to hold on for some more time, be really patient, have that strong will and determination, because I see celebration time coming, guys. So you are going to be really successful very soon, guys, in overcoming these addictions and overcoming some difficulties, whatever it may be. You are on the path to recovery from whatever you have faced, maybe some sickness or these addictions, whatever the situation may be, Aquarius. So even in your career situation, guys, you have the advantage today, maybe with your skills and talents. You have the advantage for success and prosperity. You have advantage for better opportunities in your work situation because you are someone dedicated and devoted. So even in this fight for something, maybe against addictions or against some illness, you are doing your best, doing holding on to that extreme capacity. So that is what is going to help you today, guys, Aquarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So we have Never Ending Story. This is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, guys, in your relationship, in your circumstances today, you are repeatedly going through in your mind what happened, guys, what happened in your past. All that pain, that loneliness, abandonment and rejection that you felt. And you instead of telling the happy things that you experienced, the joy you had, the love you experienced and that deep bond and connection you had with that person, you are thinking and remembering the negative aspects of that relationship, and maybe that shame and fear and low self-esteem may be the greatest challenges you are facing that is preventing you from having a good relationship today. So your past and all that pain and fear of intimacy, maybe telling this person you are with all your pain and whatever happened in your past, that is the reason for stress and emotional baggage in this relationship, guys, and that is causing lot of problems for you in this connection, guys. So you need to have compassion for yourself, forgive yourself for whatever happened, and tell yourself a positive story, the way you were, the way the relationship was. So all that positive things that happened, and you can do it, because whatever you are telling yourself right now, it is only your point of view. It may be that story may be entirely different with that other person, guys. So you have to tell yourself positive things, have positive thoughts in your mind and be positive today, and that is what is going to break the story of sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So for those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is Hansel, Survival. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not be gullible. You should not be that innocent person who will fall for others' tricks. So you should use your wits, think fast, and access your inner genius and work out the way. Maybe you need to overcome your fear. You may feel fear, you may be afraid of certain things, but that fear should bring about smartest thinking and smart action in your circumstances, giving you courage and strength to handle your situation. So opportunity is there for you to work with someone. Maybe there is another person just like you, they are just hurt like you, and they are here to help you maybe, and you can make use of this help you are getting today, guys. And no matter what your situation is, no matter how big challenges you are facing in this relationship or in your life, in your work situation or wherever it is, guys, you are what to say, you are a very compassionate person and you have your own skills and talents. You need to have that trust in yourself, guys. And you must implement the clever ideas that you have within you today to avoid further difficulties, and you are a greatest inspiration. So whatever challenging situation you are in, guys, you find the right way to come out of it, and you have leadership skills and you are a very compassionate and kind person. You help others, so that may be the reason people love you and people appreciate you for that. So maybe circumstance or there is someone waiting to put you down or pull you down, but you need to show them your strength, your true strength, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.